Okay, welcome back everybody. Today we're going to learn how to do a double crochet stitch. So far we've learned how to do slip knots, we learned how to do chains and single crochet. So now we're going to move up to the next level and we're going to do double crochet stitches. Now the first thing we need to do is we need to create a chain at the end of this row so that we can gain height to make our stitches nice and tall, because the double crochet stitch is quite a bit taller than a single crochet stitch. So we're going to start by chaining up 3 stitches. So there's 1, whoops, getting a little fiddly there, 2, and 3 stitches. So we've made a chain of 3 stitches. So that's going to make our stitches nice and tall. That's our little ladder. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is wrap our yarn around our hook, and we're going to insert it underneath that first stitch, and we're going to use our hook to pull through some yarn. I'm going to pull up a loop, and so now you see we have 3 loops on our hook. We're going to wrap around again, and we're going to pull that through just 2 of those loops, and that's going to leave us with 2 loops left on our hook. We're going to pull through some more yarn through those 2 loops, and that completes our first double crochet stitch. Now that might seem like it took a while, but believe me, after some practice you'll be able to do this in your sleep. So we're going to wrap our yarn, insert our hook, pull up a loop, pull through 2, and pull through 2 more. Wrap our yarn, insert our hook, pull up a loop, pull through 2, and pull through 2. Wrap our yarn, insert our hook, pull up a loop, pull through 2, and pull through 2. Wrap, insert, pull up a loop, pull through 2, and pull through 2. I'm going to try to do this very slowly, because I know for me, when I'm watching a tutorial, I always want to say, slow down, you're going too fast. So I'm going to try to do it very slowly, and I'll be quiet so you can just watch. Okay, let's see if we can't finish up this row. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, pull through 2, and pull through 2. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, pull through 2, and pull through 2. Now if we take a look at our row that we just did, you can see how tall those stitches are. Now my foundation row was just a row of single crochet. So you see the double crochet is quite a bit longer, quite a bit taller stitches. And that is why we needed to do our chain here at the very beginning of the row, so that we could give ourselves some height. So If you were going to do another row, the first thing you would do is chain up, turn your work, and then start all over again. Start with your double crochet, wrap your chain or wrap your hook, insert your hook, pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2. One last time for good measure. There you go. You'll use this stitch a lot when crocheting. Just about every project, well, that's exaggerating, I'm sure. Lots of projects, I should say, use double crochets, but a lot of beginner projects definitely use double crochets. Things like granny square blankets, which I do plan to do in a tutorial on, uses all double crochets for the most part, the basic granny square. Okay, I hope you found that helpful.